how to add or remove Create Note shortcut to Quick Settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the pencil icon. Then at the top, tap on Edit. Next, we go down to the Available Buttons section and swipe across. Here, tap on Create Note, and it will be added to your Quick Settings panel. Then tap on Done at the top, and then tap on Done again to save the changes. Here, now we have the Create Note shortcut. You can tap on it to quickly create a new note. And that's it. To remove the buttons, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings, then tap on the pencil icon. Next, tap on Edit. Then we scroll down and tap on the Remove button on Create Note to remove it from your Quick Settings panel. Then tap on Done, then tap on Done. And that's it. It is now removed from your Quick Settings panel. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.